Okay, students, we will start with the numerical. This numerical was asked in the year May 2012, correct? The question over here is a city discharges 1400 liter per second of sewage into stream whose minimum rate of flow is 5000 liter per second. The temperature of the sewage as well as water is 20 degrees Celsius. The 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius for the sewage is 180 milligram per liter and that of the river water is 1 milligram per liter. The DO content of the sewage is 0 and that of the stream is 90% of the saturated DO. If the minimum of DO to be maintained in the stream is 4.2 milligram per liter, find out the degree of sewage treatment required. Assume the DO oxygenized coefficient is 0.1 and reoxygenized coefficient is 0.3, correct? From the table, for DO of at 20 degrees Celsius will be 9.2 milligram per liter. It is assumed, correct? We know कि for 20 this is our assumption, correct? We are assuming that for DO for 20 degrees Celsius will be always 9.2 milligram per second, correct? Proceeding further, therefore 90% is mentioned in the question, correct? 90%, as you can see over here, and that of the stream is 90%, correct? So yeah, they have given for 90%. Done. So what we will do, for 90% of DO, 0.9 into 9.2, what we have done, we have multiplied this 9.2 with the 90%, so we have got answer 8.28 milligram per liter, correct? Now DO is at T is equal to 0, correct? So this is the formula, correct? This is the formula which will be using, whatever you can see over here, this is the formula, correct? So on the basis of that formula we have substituted the value. We'll go through the substitution part. DO into DO of water into discharge of water plus DO of saturated into discharge of saturated, correct? So DO of water equals to 0 into discharge of water, that is 1400. It is mentioned in the question starting first line, you can see over here, correct? Here they have mentioned that it is 1400, correct? Done. So DO is equal to 6.47 milligram per liter. DO, just substitute this value in the calc, you will get the answer of DO. Therefore DO is equal to initial DO efficient, DO saturated minus DO mix, so we will get the answer of DO of this value. Done. Minimum DO maintained is 4.27 milligram per liter. Done. Minimum DO content is 4.27 milligram per liter. You can see over here, barabar? So they have told you have to maintain that minimum DO, barabar? Okay. So we have substituted the value. Minimum DO is mentioned in the question is 4.27, correct? So 9.2 minus 4.27 will get the answer of critical DO as 5 milligram per liter. Now with the help of equation, this is the equation of stream standardization, you can see over here, L upon DO of F is equal to, this is the equation part, correct? So we have just equated the value of DO over here, and F is 0.3 upon 0.1 equals to 3 per day. So substitute the value over here and do a shift solve in your calc. With the help of shift solve equation, solve, you will get the value of L. Therefore L is equal to 22.63 milligram per liter, barabar? So Y is equal to L 1 minus 10 K upon P into T, correct? Time seconds is 5, correct? So Y of T is equal to 15.47 milligram per liter. Now using the equation of BOD of C, just substitute the value of C into Q plus C into Q of saturation upon total S plus QW. So you will get the value of CW. So degree of determination treatment required is equal to original BOD of sewage minus permissible BOD upon original BOD into 100, correct? So 200 is the assumed part, original BOD. If it is not mentioned in the question, we have to assume the original BOD of the sewage as 200 minus permissible BOD, which is 67.14. Just substitute the value over here and As I told you, original BOD should be assumed is 200. You can refer the formula list which is given to your Moodle account, correct? With the help of that you can solve these values. Okay, just substitute the values in the formula list, you will get the answer of degree of treatment required. Okay, this is the question, this is the answer which we have been required, correct? So in the question they have asked degree of so basically you can see over here there are three formulas which are being used. First one is degree of treatment, you can say y of t, equation of stream standardization, and do mix, correct? These are the three formulas which have been important for to solve these types of numerical. Okay, thank you.